Hi guys, this is Kai, welcome here. In this video I want to show you my low budget Dremel station to cut opal. Let me first say that I'm an absolutely beginner in opal business, but I really fell in love with these stones. There are already so good videos here on YouTube that helped me to start this amazing hobby. The best, but also the funniest ideas I got from the YouTube channel Daisy Opals. So there might be people out there who want to try out cutting opals, but not everyone has the money to buy a big machine like cabking or gemmasta or something else. I do not compare a Dremel with those machines, but for me it works so good that I want to share this video with you guys, so I hope you enjoy it and maybe it gives you some inspiration. Let's get into it. What looks like a recording studio is my cabin station. I don't mind the grinding sounds, but I live in a shared apartment and I have neighbors. So I tried to reduce the volume by covering the inside of this box with foam. And other side effects are that it's really space saving, easy to carry, and most of the resulting dirt stays in the box. Inside is a board with an elevated position on one side. This is just a cheap Dremel tool, but it's a good boy. I simply clamped this one in a vise and that's it. This splash protection is a real game changer. I pinned this one with a piece of plastic, so I can work without getting it all messed up. And I made a hole to position the water hose exactly where I need it. This gives me the flexibility to adjust the water to the different Dremel attachments, for example for the trim saw. It also has kind of protective function for small stones that can't flip out of your hand. Oh, you naughty opal. To get the water running, I just have to suck gently on this hose. Well, somebody's interested. Anyway, the water drips as long as there's water in the tank. So what's next? I need a good light, but this light here is so good that I had to invent a light shield. Here you can see the different Dremel attachments. These little boys are really the most expensive of everything you see in this video. They are called Diamand Pacific Nova Points. Each is about $10 and they will wear out very quickly if you work with them a lot. The grids here are from 280 to 3000 grit. I usually work with the very coarse ones you see on the left, and then I go through 280, 600, 1200 grit, and then I polish with Cerium Oxide on a felt wheel. I will take you through the process later in the video. And here are things you might need: a template, a thing to measure up your opals, and of course other stuff like the Dopwax and some dop sticks and yeah, stuff. Okay, no idea what to tell you about this, but obviously it protects from mud. This lamp is also really cool and useful, and you look really great and professional when you put it on. And it's always good to have some plasts. Oh yeah, I love Star Wars. Some things never change. Anyway guys, watch your fingers. Okay, let's get a little more serious. Let's see how everything works and how this rough opal becomes a gemstone. I am really sorry for the bad video quality. In the end, you can see the colors of the opal better, I promise. I finally wanted to let you know how much money I've spent for all of this. Excluding the opal, it's about $200 more or less. To me, this seems quite affordable. I also put a lot of love into this video, so if you enjoyed it, please leave a like or a comment. And if you want to see more like these videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, stay safe, and see you in a while.